Today we are talking about this, the brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max, got it in deep purple. Going to get this unboxed and set up and see what it looks like in real life. Brand new 48 megapixel camera on here. It's all about the cameras for me. I use the iPhone 13 Pro literally every day for creating content, and the video quality from this is awesome. So this, with the new additions and new specs, it can only be better. Also, this has a 2000 nits of peak brightness now. So for me, as you know, when I fly drones, I use this, the DJI RC, and I'm really interested to see what this is going to be like, because this has 600 nits of peak brightness, and this is now 2000. How's it going to perform outdoors in real life situations? Could I use this now as my number one kind of like setup when flying the drone, go back to the old controller rather than this? It's going to be interesting. Let's get this unboxed. Let's go. Okay, so I've set it up. I've now got the front-facing camera working. This is in 4K. What does this look like? The front-facing selfie camera has been upgraded, but I'm going to use the rear-facing camera now. I'm going to try cinematic mode. That's now got 4K. It's been upgraded from 1080p. I'm going to show you the difference between using the iPhone audio and then connecting up my studio mic and then just sync it. So can you use your iPhone as maybe now a good studio option rather than a big camera? Let's see if that cinematic mode looks any better. So this is what I'm normally filming on the A7S III. I'm now in cinematic mode. So can you tell a significant difference to warrant that price and also to warrant your back carrying around a big camera like this? It's now in 4K in cinematic mode, so that's an upgrade over 1080p. So that certainly is noticeable, I find. I find the edges are a lot better. I find the quality to be better. The audio is always not going to be great in a studio environment because I'm not super close to the phone. So I'm now going to connect it up to my normal studio microphone and then see what that sounds like as an overall setup. Okay, now I've switched over to 4K cinematic mode with external audio coming from this microphone here. This should now be a lot better sounding. Also, the video quality should be better than what you would have expected from the 13 Pro, because now in cinematic mode it's gone from 1080p to 4K. So the edges seem a lot better. There seems to be a nice defocus in the background. So overall, this looks pretty good. I'm really excited to test this out, especially outdoors. It's got action mode on it, so that's meant to be this like gimbal-like stabilization. I'm interested to see what that's like in real life. And also the new 48 megapixel camera is photos and videos significantly better. Can't wait to test that. This is what I mean. This phone is all about the cameras for me. Using this every day as a tool with me to get B-roll content and also just generally making videos with my phone. It's so easy and convenient these days. So I look forward to testing it out and let you guys know, is it worth buying it or not? And I'll see you all very soon. Bye-bye.